everyone, very warm welcome to all of you. Today we have a very interesting another interview question, and this is the Amazon interview question. So in the question we have to find three or more consecutive dates where people more than 100 people were in the stadium. Okay, so as you can see, these are the dates and these are the available people in the stadium. Okay, on 1st of January 10 people were there, on 2nd of January 109 people were there, and 3rd of January there were 150 people. Okay, so if we check three consecutive days, so condition is not meeting. Okay, because on 1st of January 10 people were there, so if the people number of count would be 100, more than 100, so the condition would be meet. Okay, so same next condition, next day we will check 2nd and 3rd and 4th, so people less than 100. Okay, on 4th of January, so if we check 5th, 6th, 7th, yes, in 5th January 145 people were there, and in 6th of January 155 people were there, and 7th of January 199 people were there. Okay, so this is the first condition is meeting. Okay, and if we go to the next row, 6th January 1455, 7th January 199, 8th January 188. Okay, so these four rows are meeting the conditions, like these are having the number of people which is more than 100 in all the consecutive days. So minimum number is 3 consecutive days they are meeting the criteria, and 6, 7, 8. So these are four rows will be in the output. Okay, so let's write the query for this. So let's filter the rows where which is our first condition, where number of people would be more than 100. Okay, now we have to find the consecutivity. Okay, so for that we will create a CT here, and we will give the row number to the rows. Okay, so for that logic we will check for the whether the rows are in a consecutive order or not. Okay, so we will give the row number here and the over clause order by ID. Sorry. All right, so as you can see, we have the row number column here, and we have a ID column here. Okay, so the logic is we will minus the ID column from the RN column. Okay, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1, and 5 minus 3 2. So the number is changed here. If the difference is same of both the columns, so that means the numbers in the rows in a consecutive order. Okay, and if the number is changed, if the difference is changed, so the number is not in a consecutive order, the rows in a consecutive order. Okay, so we gonna minus ID column from the RN column. Okay, as you can see, the 1 1 and 2 2 2, the groups is different. Okay, because the 2 consecutive rows are in a different group and 4 consecutive rows are in a different group. Okay, so now we have the output. Okay, what we're gonna do is we will extract the RN equals to 2, and we will have the output CTE 2 as select from CTE 2 equals to 2. Okay, so we have the output. So on 5th of January more than 100 people, 6th of January 1455, 7th of January 199. So 3 consecutive days are clear. So next 3 consecutive days are 6th January, 7th January, 8th January, and the number of count of the people is more than 100. Okay, so that's how we can generate the output. So this is the trick basically. Whenever you find any word like consecutive, so you should use this logic here. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much, and hope you have learned something. If you have any query, so you can put in the comments.